G'day, I'm Mark from Combi Life. Today we're doing the kitchen install for Stephen's Caddy. Okay, so first of all we have removed the 2-seater out of the back, so it's now a 5-seater. Now we've already done the battery install in Stephen's Caddy, which is the 50 amp lithium battery, which is all tucked away inside. Okay, so that tucks back up in there. Okay, next step, we are going to use the T10 to turn the seatbelt bracket
so for
around.
example, like I used to do,
Okay, so we're going to switch that around. Then after that, we're going to use the T5 for the 2 little tie down points, and we're also going to remove these on both sides. Okay, we have now turned the seatbelt bracket around, so it now faces on the inside, closest to the body of the car. And that will allow us the kitchen to slide straight past. Just installing the bolts to locate the kitchen. So previously we took out the 2 tie down points. These 2 bolts will now locate into those tie down points, and that will secure our kitchen into the vehicle. So the kitchen's now bolted into the vehicle, 2 on that side and 2 on this side. The jaws can go back in. So the kitchen is now installed in the new Caddy. In this configuration, we have got it set up as a 3-seater. Okay, so now we'll demonstrate on how that seat will fold down and how the sleep system works. So first of all, we'll remove the headrest, which will just come out like so. Put that down there. Tilt the seat forward. Okay, now the middle board of the kitchen, so the rear kitchen cabinet at the rear there, then we have this middle section which is screwed across to the kitchen with 4 bolts, and that's supported by 2 aluminium legs. There's one on this side and there's one on the other side there too, which will support that. Okay, now we'll move this front board forward. We'll locate in there like so. This will fold down. Okay, that'll locate there. The front part of the board will rest on the floor, and that's fully supported now. And then these 2 pieces will move up, so you can rest your pillow up the top there. The panel on the left side will also push back on top of the module, so then we can have all 3 seats working. Okay, so now we'll fold the mattresses forward, then the sleep system will be complete. So we'll go around on the inside. Okay, let's flip this over. Put one there. This one here will switch that fan. And there we have it. The sleep system's all complete. Okay, so we've also added the Sirocco 3-speed fan, which will just pop down like that. That's on the low, medium and high setting. Okay, so that is the new 2021 Caddy 5 Life. Okay, so that's the kitchen module, the sleep system all complete. This will also fit the new Caddy California, removing the old system. This will also fit.